Standard 8, Chapter number 2, Environmental Pollution, Part 1. Human beings are very greedy and works for their development. It is right for each and every human being or each and every living being lives on the earth to develop their own life. If there is an opportunity for development, humans have the right to progress. The industrial revolutions and the scientific discoveries have opened very much opportunities and advancement and development. As we know, today we are suffering from a great disease all over the world. But technology is helping us to contact with each other. You are living at home right now and learning through this technological advancement. But have we ever thought that this technology's advancement and development can become an obstacle for the development of others' life? Technology has empowered our creativity. Simply turn the process of production. Electricity, railways, telephone, vehicles, industries, electronic media are important characters in the development. Today we are using all these technologies in our daily life. Electricity, we are using 24 hours. Railways, telephones, we are using it. Today each and every person has their own cell phone or mobile phone. Vehicles, we are using. Industries are used to make the products and to make our life easy. As the population of human beings increasing on the earth, the demand for all these facilities are also increasing. To fulfill these demands, people are producing the products and facilities in bulk numbers. There is an unlimited use of natural resources like water, air, and natural vegetations, which cause a pollution. It is necessary to make an effort and understand both pollution and development. Development is necessary, but it is not necessary to pollute the nature for development. In different contexts, since these two are parallel in modern times, development and pollution, where there is development, there is pollution, and where there is pollution, there is development. We have to use such skills to stop this pollution. In present time, pollutions are done in land, water, air, noise, and also a space pollution. We have human beings has sent many satellites and to the space and make their polluted. Has increased and its adverse effects could be seen on human life and on environment. With the industries coming up on large scales, various kinds of pollutants affecting the environment have increased. Pollution means pradushan, and pollutants means the materials or chemicals, gases, etc., which creates pollution in the environment. Among it, water, air, and land are the main types which is polluted. These three are the most important element to live a life on the earth. We have learned about lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Lithosphere is related to land, atmosphere is related to air, and hydrosphere is related to water. All these three spheres form biosphere. And if we have to live in biosphere, healthy life, we have to make these three spheres pollution free. Now let us first learn about water pollution. Industries require water, and during the process of manufacturing, water becomes impure, which is drained into rivers. We all know that water is the essential element in one's life. We cannot live without water. We cannot prepare food without water. We cannot wash clothes and utensils without water. We cannot live without drinking water. Water is a basic necessity for doing each and every work in water in our life. This polluted water of industries, the chemicals are infested in the water and they drain this water into the river. This chemical infested water pollutes the pure water of river. Secondly, the water drained on the open ground goes under the land and pollute the underground water too. We know that there is underground water in lithosphere, which helps the earth to sustain and balance the plates of earth. Growing under urbanization is another reason behind widespread pollution. The dirty water released by industries and factories into the rivers, streams and ponds destroy the aquatic life, that is marine life. Many times we see news about mass death of fish because of excessive pollution in water. The sea water gets polluted due to oil drilling and oil spills. We have noted that we are importing oil from the other countries. These oils are processed and then used as petrol, diesel, kerosene, and other oils in industries, vehicles, machineries, etc. These oils, uh, these oils are imported through ships from the other country. Sometimes the ships gets accident in their way towards the destination, and this oil drills into the water. This oil causes water pollution and disease like cholera, jaundice, vomiting, loose motion, etc. Water pollution causes this disease to the human beings. That is why nowadays people have to carry their own water bottle filled with fresh and filtered water with them while traveling. We all know that we have installed a filter in our house and we are drinking water only after filtering it. Why? Because the water in rain, in lakes, ponds, rivers are not pure to drink. Therefore, we have to install filters in our house, office and school. And we are carrying our water bottle with ourselves at wherever we go. Many rivers have turned into gutters. This polluted river water is used for agriculture and consequently pollutants enter into the food grains, vegetables and forests. Food is also an important source to sustain our life. And to grow foods we need water. If we are using polluted water, then the quality of food, grains, vegetables will not be good. Therefore, if we eat these types of food, our health must be worsened. People from every class of society eat, whether it be politician, farmer, industrialist, educated individuals, artists or workers, have casual attitude towards the environmental pollution. They all have the responsibility to save the environment. The water from industry should be purified before it is drained into streams and rivers. Government should implement the pollution control policies properly to control industries. We should use water in judicious way. In this part, we have learned about the causes of water pollution. Water is polluted because of industries, oil drills, and many other ways of humankind for their development which polluted water. We are throwing our waste in water also. This causes disease like cholera, jaundice, vomiting and loose motion to the people. And they also affect the quality of food grains and vegetables. These were its causes. And now the remedy of water pollution is to take a single person their own responsibility to save the water, and government should implement various water pollution policies to control the pollution of water. In next part we will learn about air pollution. Till then you have to write the questions related to water pollution in your work. Thank you.